Hello everybody, tomorrow is Father's Day and I'm going to be sharing a recipe that I'm sure your dad will love. Let's get cooking. Today I am cooking Middle Eastern Pilaf using Taj Classic aged Basmati and using these ingredients. To start my pilaf, I'm going to caramelize my onions in my 30 grams of butter for about 25 minutes, making sure I put a little bit of water every 5 minutes. Look at that, my onions have been caramelized for 25 minutes and they look and smell beautiful. I'm now going to add my spices, which is cinnamon powder, cumin powder, salt and pepper. And give that one final stir. It's now time to use this wonderful Taj Basmati rice. But before that, I've got to saute some finely diced onions in 30 grams of butter. Now that my onions have sauteed, I'm going to add my rice. Give it one good stir to make sure every grain is covered in the butter and onions. And I'm just going to add my water and cover the pot and let it cook for 18 minutes or until the rice is cooked. Now that my rice is fully cooked, it's time to fluff it. Now I'm going to add my dried fruit and roasted nuts. So here I've got some pistachios, some almonds, some dried cranberries. I'm also going to add my caramelized onions. And with my fork, just gently mix it in. Surprise your dad this Father's Day with this wonderfully easy and delicious rice pilaf using the amazing Taj aged Basmati rice.